Oh, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Keisha Charmaine. I'm a YouTuber.
Yes, I know.
Would you like to introduce yourself and let us know what you have going on here?
Yeah. So my name is Tanisha Rwanda, and I'm here at the CKC Atlanta Hair Festival, working on my model right here at the braid competition. This is a piece from my butterfly effect collection. As you can see, we got the blue popping. Yeah.
It's beautiful. Let's get the back. Nice. Hi, ladies.
Hello.
Hi, Zay.
Hey, how are you?
I'm great. Wow, look what you have going on here.
Well, I'm creating a royal hairstyle in the making. I'm still working on it, so stay tuned.
Yes. Can't wait to see the final product.
Yes, thank you.
I'll be around.
All right.
Hello. Wow.
Help me!
Yeah, I'm done. I don't want to take this now. Oh, mama.
What? Oh my goodness. Thank you. So are you?
How are you? Wow.
Great.
Look at all these beautiful styles. I know you've seen them.
Yes.
I'm
Very
amazed.
creative.
Very.
Yes.
Yes, everybody is amazing. I hate to be the judge. I already told them. I said, even the people that I chose to even come, I'm just like, yo, y'all gonna have a hard, y'all gonna have a hard time.
Wow.
Miss Mark.
I saw Miss Myrie. You see Miss Myrie? I saw her earlier. Oh, my bad.
Hi. How are you?
I need to,
Are you complete?
it needs to be true.
Wow, this is incredible.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Got the names.
What's good? Is Black still in the building?
What's happening, ladies? Hey, it's your boy Black Steel. You know, I'm over here at the grace of my presence at this hair show, hair competition, celebrating, you know, black excellence, beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I just made that word up. But yeah, what's happening, ladies? It's good. Keisha Charmaine, looking fresh, fire. Your locks are gorgeous. Queen. I know everybody tells you that, but they are gorgeous.
They are.
They are gorgeous. Let me kind of just like this. They gorgeous though, man. They gorgeous. Real, all natural.
Thank you.
I don't know. Like some Indian fruit. You got it over there. Stack the shrimp somewhere and put it. Is that right there? Yeah.